398. Do you have any 398 for the battery for this one?
One battery. This one battery 3.
Is there a bigger size one?
No.
Tidy,
one only.
king tire.
No,
More.
one only.
Okay. HC-V500. So this one is 800 ringgit lah.
Yeah.
And the one with the 16GB is 100 more lah, so 900 ringgit lah. So
this one for 16GB 嘛
16GB 900 bucks lah. 900蚊啊。
900蚊900蚊係唔係1000蚊？呢個係900蚊。呢個900蚊係咯 ，no free back。
No free back.
900。
Okay, this one comes with nothing.
This one 800 咯。
And comes
for camera box inside only 咯。
Oh, in the box ah. What's
battery
battery?
Charger.
Direct charger. Okay. Okay. 800 ringgit. If yes, if you put in 300 ringgit, you get extra.
Put in 300 extra. One more battery. SD card 8GB. And one bag.
Bag I don't need actually. So this is Gerryko here, and this is a ready-made production. Today I came back here again to see this one, HC-V500 for the Panasonic. It's a AVC HD progressive. So I'm gonna go and test drive this thing with my 32 gigs SD card. So you're charging more. We take a quality. Is it fully charged?
No fully charged. New battery no fully charged. Normal battery no charge. You want buy to you go back charge 8 hours. Normal this one small only.
So what's the maximum video time for this thing?
Maybe video 2 hours only.
2 hours
battery
咁多？
有啦，差唔多2 hours 㗎，睇你錄啊。
Normally 係1 hour 嘛。
1 hour normal battery. This one battery.
Oh, you mean compact cameras are 1 hour 啦
？Small 嘛。
So this one is actually.
Maybe 2 hours 咁樣啦。一個鐘頭9個字咁，大概係咁上下都逼㗎。
Really Really. Because I went to Lawet Plaza yesterday or 2 days ago. The JVC one camcorder, they say it's only 45 minutes. JVC.
係咯，睇你錄咯。通常有1粒鐘啊，呢啲未必都係1 hour 度啫。
Compact cameras 45 minutes 1 hour 啦。
呢啲應該唔能夠2 hour 啦，差唔多2 hour 咁樣。大概啦，客仔 feedback 啦，係睇嗰個人用啦。
Okay.呢個得喎，Class 10 can use 喎。
Can。
Okay. 有 on button 係咪？呢度。So this is a touch screen. So how many units do you have? 好多係咪？你有 quite a lot 啦。
呢度啫。
Okay. So let's check and see. How's the performance of this? A lot of people buying this or not?
Yeah.
The quality in the maximum set. Maximum quality. Full HD 60 frames if possible. If not 50 frames.
Money 個 set 個 video。
So they have a lot of this Panasonic HC HC-V500M. M is the 16GB built-in memory, so you have to pay 100 ringgit extra just for 16GB. Okay, I'm not really keen on that when I can get a 32GB for 60 ringgit. So what's the point? I'm not gonna pay like 100 bucks for an extra thing because it does not actually do anything to it. She says. Well, there's nothing extra, it's only the inbuilt thing, so might as well put in a 32GB SD card class 10 into it. The rest I don't know. The Panasonic HC-V10, that one's 900 ringgit. I don't know what's the jiffy on that, but that's only HD, it's not full HD, it's HD, so no thanks. And they have all these very strange design Panasonics. It's around 900 ringgit and 800 ringgit respectively, but the shape is kind of weird. I don't know whether you can put a tripod on it or not, so I'm not so sure. Very strange. Yo, 可以擠 tripod 冇個 strange looking thing camcorder
啊？
可以擠 tripod 啊？
全部都有 tripod
佢有啊，
嚇？
呢個有嘅咩？有個窿嘅咩？
有嘅，梗有個窿嘅。
HG 1080p. Oh, yeah, Windows setting. Which one is the highest? HA, HG, HX, HE. So, 係咪呢個？係咪 HA is the highest?
Full HD maybe 有 high blue here 咯。啊。
Okay. iframe. Windows settings. Okay, so it is the highest one, HA 1920 times 1080p, I presume. Okay, zoom mode 50 times, scene mode is intelligent scene mode. Yo, automatic scene mode 係咪？有冇啊？
啲 photo
off， 如果 off 係去 automatic 嘅咩？唔係。
你講 off 咩 ？off 佢個 photo。
The scene SCENE。
你自己要自己 control
manual control 啊？
你要 select 咁。
冇 automatic 啊？
冇 automatic。
你已經 select 咗嗰個 that means it's already inside. Then if you want you off it, then they will go back to normal.
Okay, so there's no autofocus 啊？有冇啊
It's autofocus.
？It's autofocus. All autofocus 啊？Oh, so it will just if you see if it's closed then it will close.
Yes.
Okay, good. Okay. So which one record?
I was curious why you need to record down.
Because I want to like listen back to what I said. So 32GB 係幾多啊？
你邊度有寫？你個機嗰度頭先有。
冇寫喎。
有。
I mean maximum 32 gigs 係幾多個 minutes？
If you let's say 8 gig, it can be half an hour for full HD.
32
You multiply 32.
24啦。
8 gig 係幾多 ？Sorry， 30 minutes 啊？
Half an hour, 30 minutes.
So 2 hours 啊？
呢個俾佢用乜嘢？差唔多啦，個半鐘。
One hour.
1 hour 啊？ So not 2 hours 啊？
唔到2 hours. 最多頂籠1粒鐘半。
因為我哋平時啲細嘅都用得成粒鐘，45分鐘係咪
？Video 比較少，因為你一直咁樣冇停咁樣錄。
Can I open the door and shoot the glass? I won't run away lah. Okay. Which one is the zoom? Zoom I think.
On your finger, the first finger. Yeah.
This one.
That one. Another side. You can see one thing is up.
This one.
Not that one.
This one.
Yes. Left, right, left, right.
This one is zoom. recording and the zoom is so fast. So it's good. So what the shakiness is stabilization is good. You got stabilization, am I very good lah. The shakiness.
It depends on your hand. Depends on your hand. Sometimes you move like this, shake like this, of course it will
Okay, if I use this tripod here.
better.
This tripod.
Better.
But here, I think from the reviews in the internet, it says that the OIS is
Stabilizer that's
is very good, isn't it?
yeah, for Panasonic is very effective. For iOS.
Okay. What about other brands? Other brands?
Sony,
It's good or not? Did they get inboard stabilization?
can't tell.
Huh?
Can't tell.
can't.
More detail, can't tell.
Oh, okay. Do you know the maximum per file? One longest take.
It depends how long is the duration you are taking the video. If you're taking longer time, then of course it take more megapixels. I mean the file size will be higher. It depends of the duration of time.
You got 4 gigs, you got. I mean, for one file, maximum is 4 gigs.
Format. They don't say gig.
No, I mean the file size of the file that is recording into making one file.
It depends on your time. How many minutes, how many seconds. Yeah, it's depending.
So if I record this now, when will it stop recording by itself?
It's until the memory full.
32 gigs?
Yeah, if let's say built-in is 32 gig, you continuous, you don't stop it.
I know when to touch the record.
You don't touch any. You touch record or no record. Is it recording or no recording? Recording means it's taking a space until it's finished.
When it reaches the maximum file size, it will stop.
No, this one is unlimited. That means it's up to the how many gig built-in. You will continue to record until it stops by itself.
So that means post after you stop it or you stop by itself, it will take some time to
Yes.
process the files into separate.
Yes. Separate. I mean, if you stop record, that means the file they have a few files in a folder. That is the file. Every file they have a different duration time and different file size.
Okay, maybe you don't know what I mean. So what I like to video is I want to continuous video. I press the button, I forget about it, and I go around shooting.
Yeah, then it will take by itself. It will take by itself and take all the memory into the file in the memory card.
Okay, let's say this camera here, right? This
It's
one.
exactly same.
No.
That one they have a limit.
4 gigs.
Okay,
For
limit.
file is 4 gigs.
Yeah, this one they have no limit video. You see, now you are continuous. You don't stop at all.
Yeah, but
now
6
it's recording.
minutes. 6 minutes.
6 minutes because it's running. It's still
But
running.
that one is 27 minutes maximum.
The
Yeah,
camera one they have a limit one. They have a limit. Yeah.
This video camera is not.
Video camera, they don't have any limit for that. It's unlimited. Unlimited. Yeah. They don't stop by itself. Just like you are holding now, you just put it there, they will automatically record by itself until it's full. Memory full.
Okay, that's good. So this one can record when it's with the power cable. I mean,
Yes, if you want for time, you know, you want to take long time, then you have to connect to the cable.
Okay.
Because the battery only lasts for about 1.5 hours only.
But this one cannot last. This cannot last for long. It's not fully
Of
charged.
course.
Do you have a cable?
No, actually, we're not supposed to
Not-
demonstrate like this way. Okay, sir. Yeah.
Okay.
Alright. Because people who buy this video camera, that is very simple. You want to know the spec and how is the thing look like, and the spec features, what can do. Okay, we not supposed to do like this way because this is not demo set. This is a new set. Okay. Even you go to the Sony Star or Panasonic concept shop, also they won't allow you to do like that.
Okay, thanks a lot. So,
actually, what you want?
I want to buy
What you want to know about all this video camera? It's very simple. Yeah, you just want to know.
Yeah,
because you came it's the second time, right? My colleague told me this is the second time. So actually, what you want?
I want to buy this camera.
Yeah, I know. But now, so how?
So I have to ask a lot of questions before I buy it because I also don't have much money.
Oh, not the money problem. Now is the problem is how you think about this video camera and
so far you say that it does not stop by itself, then it's good.
Okay.
It meets my expectations.
Alright.
So will it actually
any other issue with this camera or
video quality how?
It's a full HD.
Full HD, yeah. But I see in the internet they say it's some kind of pixels.
This depends of how you rate for the forum, okay? There are many comments about all the video camera, all the gadget. We cannot give you the actual answer what you want, right? But we know that there is the full HD video camera. That's it.
So this is a very good unit.
It's considered is the good camera for video camera, okay? For the video shooting.
And the price is good.
Reasonable with the price about
but there's
below
nothing
1,000.
cheaper. There's nothing cheaper.
Go for the digital camera.
It's not good enough. I mean,
it depends your expectation. If you want expect higher, then you pay more.
Okay.
Yeah, I mean, the market is like that. Okay, you want something good, then you slightly pay a higher price.
So this won't stop after 20 minutes?
Yeah, I told you.
Okay. And this will be... Okay. So stop it anything. So if I were to buy this unit, right, I go home and test it, and it's like not if I press the button and it keeps on recording until the 27 minute mark and it stops by itself, then what to do? Can I return the thing back? No.
No refundable. No refundable.
But you guarantee that it will continue on past 27 minutes.
You want more than 27 minutes?
I mean, the ideal thing is equivalent to this thing here, 27 minutes. If this one can perform up to 27 minutes, then I'm very happy with it. Per file.
Okay. Then I have to ask for the expertise in Panasonic. If double confirm, is it whether it can be up to 27 minutes continuous?
Oh, is it there? Is there a...
No. Even you read the spec and the internet also, they won't tell you that.
No.
Yeah. They're not really...
Okay. So this performs at night well also. Not bad. Completes it, and the problem is the battery it's very expensive. Do you sell pirated ones?
If you're getting this camera, my colleague told you is another one extra battery, right? How many other battery extra? That means you have to buy additional 300 ringgit for the battery. You already written there 300. Yeah. But the third party one, actually you want the more reliable, you get back the original is better. No point you go and take the...
Original is a bit too expensive really.
Yeah, of course, you pay this price, it's a quality price. Okay, you pay cheaper price, then you won't get that quality. It's fair, it's fair. Okay.
390吧。
3個萬對吧？3個萬。After 你 discount 就俾3萬。
如果你買嗰個 baguette， 399, maybe free one battery, 80 card one more, back one.
That means we have a package price. If you get with the 999, then you can get everything. Yeah, 799 just only the standard package. Okay, the another package is 999. Then you can get one extra battery.
So 200.
About 300 lah. If you buy additional battery, it costs about 400. If you buy with the package, come with the batteries, extra one, it's only top up another 300 ringgit.
So
999 lah. If let's say you want an extra battery.
Okay. That means it's like saying like it's 800 ringgit. That one,
Yes.
this one, 800 ringgit.
Yeah, without battery, without extra battery.
Okay, without extra battery plus 200 ringgit.
You get one more battery.
And the battery lasts for 1 hour lah.
Mm.
The problem is this one takes 2 hours to charge. I mean
No,
full
if
charge.
the first charge 8 hours.
8
the
hours.
second subsequent charge, you take about 2 hours to 3 hours full charge.
Oh, 2 hours, 3 hours.
Yeah.
2 hours
Even
to 3
you
hours.
want half an hour also can, but it's not fully inside the battery power yet. Not full power yet.
So 2 hours charge for 1 hour's use.
Yes.
Okay. So 2 batteries, 2 hours. If I do the package, you cannot change anything because I don't need the 8 GB SD card.
That is standardized. Come with the package. Yeah.
Okay. So standalone, the battery is 400 ringgit lah. Okay. I think that's about it lah. Because I've gone around and seen. This is so far the okay one not bad one.
Okay lah, in terms of price, not more than 1,000 ringgit, and have this type of the quality for you. It's very good enough already for the video camera, right? Unless you spend more than 1,000, you get more choice.
Okay.
More better spec you want.
Would it be possible if I just paid you 900 ringgit and get the battery, extra battery, and the camera?
That's very good price for this package. I think you have surveyed many shops around, okay? So I don't think so you can get this type of price in other place, right?
Yes, so but they don't carry this much unless it's the Panasonic shop
Yes.
there that one is too expensive
Yes, you know already. Then you know the price is our price is a very good price and reasonable, and also the package. Even you get one more battery, also cheaper than that. So what do you expect?
Okay.
Don't worry lah. This camera for average normal use is good enough already. I don't know what you want to shoot for.
I do
and
events.
what events or how big is your function is. But it depends on the environment also. If you're bright enough, the lighting like this, I think should be okay. Not dim light.
Okay.
If dim light, any camera also same. If it turn out is very dark and cannot see well. Video.
Okay. So 9.
What event you are shooting actually?
Marathons.
Marathon normally is outdoor, okay?
Indoors also got.
Indoor is like party that for any function only for indoor. But usually marathon, joggathon or outdoor shooting should be no problem.
This one can swivel. Can it swivel?
Can twist the other side. The other side. Turn up.
So I guess that's about it. Cannot get any cheaper
Really cannot lah. If
Come on
can,
lah.
I sure I give you lah. Okay.
Kind of all these things. I say you just sell it to me
We
for.
are not boss here.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
We just employee here.
Employee
Not
surely got
employer.
discount.
Employee cannot because all the price is fixing by management.
Oh, you use a corporation.
10 store,
Oh, how many?
6 store.
What's this place called? Foto Zoom. Am I?
No, it's another company. Not Foto Zoom.
This is Foto Zoom right here.
We are Foto Zoom, yes. But other company is not called Foto Zoom.
Okay. So I go back and check the quality of the image.
Is it your card inside?
This one is very good lah. Very good. But what others do you think? Oh, that one there, the strange looking thing.
That one is an underwater camera.
Is it good or not? I mean the quality. Do you know?
Both also video HD, full HD. The quality lens is this one much better. The one will be smaller size, the lens size.
Oh, you mean all the big aperture lah?
Yes.
To let the light in.
Not aperture lah, the lens diameter, anything also. This one more proper video camera. That one is I mean for the underwater shooting.
So it's recording to 18 minutes, so far very good. Because I was afraid that if it's full HD, that means the file size is big, then you can only record like say 5 minutes and then stop, then 5 minutes again, then stop. So I guess it's not
But
correct.
old technology, yes.
Huh? Old technology.
Yes.
Okay.
If last time you compare with the old one, then there's a limit because of processor problem. You cannot take too many file, too big file inside the card, so it will automatically cut off.